Hello friends, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make corn dog without hot dog stick. First I have some eggs for this recipe. I have some fresh chopped pepper, nicely chopped spring onions, salt to taste, and carrots. Start by grating the carrots. After grating the carrots, set aside and bring in the eggs. I'll crack the eggs into a bowl. After cracking all the eggs, I'll add the other ingredients to it. I'll start by adding the grated carrot to it. Then the spring onions, the chopped pepper, and salt to it. Mix together until they are properly combined. Once properly combined, I'll begin to transfer them into a nylon. Transfer into a nylon with the help of a funnel. Tie up the mouth of the nylon with a rope. Also, tie the middle of it with a rope too. After tying, cut off the excess rope with a scissors and set aside. Repeat the same process to the remaining one. After tying them, transfer into a cooking pot, add some water, take to the heat and cook for about 7 minutes. After cooking, this is what they look like. I'll go ahead and remove the nylon from them. After removing the nylon, I'll be cutting this into smaller size. After cutting this into smaller size, I'll also be removing the nylon from the others. Then transfer them into a bowl. But before using them for the corn dog recipe, I'll wrap them up in a paper towel to dry up the excess water from them. So I just place them on the paper towel, wrapped together, and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. After wrapping them up in a paper towel, I'll set aside and proceed to the other step. Here I have all-purpose flour, corn flour, some sugar, an egg, salt to taste, and then buttered milk. I will provide the measurement of all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description of this video. So I'll start by adding the corn flour to the all-purpose flour, then the sugar, salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then mix together. After combining the dry ingredients together, I will add to it the buttered milk. I also add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then mix them together. After mixing for some time, I'll be adding an egg to it. Then I also mix them together until it is properly combined. Mix until you get a very smooth batter. Then transfer some of it into a glass cup. Set the batter aside and unwrap the egg stick from the paper towel. As you can see from the video, the paper towel has been able to absorb the excess water from the egg stick. The purpose of drying excess water from the egg stick is for the batter to stick well to the egg stick. Next, I will insert the skewer stick into them. After inserting the skewer stick into them, it is time for us to fry. Please remember that corn dog needs deep frying. So here I have my preheated oil. I'll just go ahead and test with a skewer stick. Once it becomes hot, dip the egg stick into the batter. Make sure it is well coated. Then transfer into the preheated oil. Repeat the same process with the others. Then fry until it is golden brown. Turn the corn dog from time to time so that it can be evenly fried. Once they become golden brown, remove the corn dog from the oil and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. If you have learned something new from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friends. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. And to my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.